So I wasn't actually using any of the features other than the self-search. I know I'm going to miss the stealth search because I think that's why I kept the account for so long, quite honestly. Hello and welcome back to my channel where I help you slay your career and cultivate the successful life you deserve. For the best career success advice on the World Wide Web, tap that subscription button and the notification bell. I release 2 new videos each week. Except for this week, this is actually the last video in my extra bonus Ace Your LinkedIn Presence series that I have been uploading over the month of October. And for this video, I wanted to answer a question that I have been getting very frequently in my inbox, and that is LinkedIn Premium worth it? Well, we are going to talk that out today, my friends, because making a LinkedIn Premium account decision, it can be a whole thing. So whether you are on LinkedIn to grow your business, if you're on LinkedIn as part of finding a job, or if you're on LinkedIn to hire people, I am going to help you answer that question of, is the LinkedIn Premium account worth it for you specifically? If that sounds good to you, tap that like button, and then let's just jump straight into it today. So the first thing that you need to figure out to determine if a LinkedIn Premium account is going to be worth it for you is figure out what your actual goal on LinkedIn is. Most people log into LinkedIn when they are trying to do one of 3 things. They're trying to sell something, they're trying to hire someone, or they're trying to find a job. As LinkedIn has grown as a platform, it does so many different things. Like LinkedIn Learning is a phenomenal tool in order to expand and, spend time doing professional development and stuff like that. And I sincerely believe that if you are using LinkedIn properly, it really is a party of like-minded professionals, and it's a great place for you to expand your network, whether or not you have that premium account. Cardinal rule of career success, always be networking, and this is a great place to do that. The reason why you need to figure out first what your actual goal on LinkedIn right now is that if your goal is to just kind of like hang out, log in, comment in posts and stuff like that, and you're not going to be leveraging any of the LinkedIn Premium features, then it's probably not going to be worth it for you. However, if the LinkedIn Premium features are something that you know you're going to get mileage out of, then it might be a good investment for you. So let's consider next, what are the premium features that LinkedIn does offer on their different premium accounts? Just a sidebar, LinkedIn actually has 4 different types of premium accounts. They have for job seekers, business, sales, as well as recruiting. Now, this used to be very clean and easy to see and have comparisons straight on their website, but they changed that and it is a little bit more complicated now. I will still leave links for you to see a comparison chart that I found online and just to get to the actual sites on LinkedIn really easily down below. Now, in every LinkedIn Premium account, there are a few things that you're going to get. First of all, LinkedIn InMails. InMails are great if you want to message people that you have absolutely no connection with on LinkedIn. This is going to be like people that aren't direct connections, they're not in any shared groups, and you're not sending a connection in an effort to kind of bypass that, which is probably a video for another day. But if you want to get into someone's inbox and they aren't a connection, this is a very easy way to do it. They can be very expensive when you're adding on, but every single LinkedIn Premium account type does actually come with at least a few different emails that you can send, and as long as you are subscribed, they actually do accrue. So if you don't use them, they will actually roll over. Who's viewed your profile is another benefit of a LinkedIn Premium account. Now, everyone can turn this on as long as you are visible as a profile visitor. However, if you're a premium account holder, then you can actually be private when you're visiting other people's accounts, but you can still see who is actually viewing your profile, and you actually get insight further back. I believe that's still true. Hopefully it still is. I'm going to edit that out if it's not. But you are going to get that insight, and you have the ability to essentially cruise incognito. This personally is something I really enjoy about having a LinkedIn Premium account, because I do like to poke around and creep on people on LinkedIn without them necessarily knowing about it. So, I guess I'm an online stalker sometimes. Another tool that is available with LinkedIn Premium accounts is LinkedIn Learning. Now, several years ago, LinkedIn bought lynda.com, which was a fantastic resource to go and spend time for professional development. And there were so many different resources to really meet different needs in terms of your career growth path. And now that is LinkedIn Learning, and it is available with these premium accounts. I do believe that LinkedIn Learning has some content that is available for free for everyone, but you do need to pay pay in order to access the full library. Now, whether or not LinkedIn Learning is something that is going to actually be a benefit to you is quite honestly up to you. Now, beyond that, depending on if you have a job seeker account, a recruiter account, a sales account, or a business account, you are going to get different features to add on. And that actually brings me into the third point. So based on the features that you would get with your LinkedIn Premium account, is this actually going to be something that is transformational and is really going to accelerate your ability to achieve your goal of why you are actually on LinkedIn? For instance, if you are using LinkedIn for recruiting, I personally think that it is a non-negotiable. You need to have a LinkedIn recruiter account. Similarly, if you are on LinkedIn because you are a salesperson, and especially if your company is going to pay for it, I have personally found an enormous amount of value out of having a LinkedIn Premium sales account to get access to Sales Navigator. Now, I personally haven't used a LinkedIn business account, but I do think that getting company insights can be something that would be very helpful for some people, especially for entrepreneurs and even some solopreneurs. And that brings me now to why many of you are probably here, knowing the people who are watching my channel and the questions that I do get. When it comes to LinkedIn Premium for job seekers, is the premium account worth it? Well, I think that the biggest advantage, in addition to the key features for a job seeker, is that you do get some company insight. And I don't think that these are must-haves in your job search. However, if you do have the resources and you are going to be leveraging the other features that the LinkedIn Premium account is going to give you, I think that this is nice. Oh, and you also get a little fancy gold badge to show that you have a premium account. So it's a nice little prestige marker. We can't forget that one. And this leads us now to fundamentally answering the question, is having a LinkedIn Premium account worth it? And the answer is maybe. You really do need to figure this one out on your own. Unless you're a recruiter, in which case I say it is absolutely worth it. I do think that this is something that you do need to figure out on your own. And hopefully the answers that you found along the way are going to help you figure that out. Now, one of the things that LinkedIn does that is very helpful in helping you determine if this is the right thing for you is that on all of their premium accounts, they do offer a 30-day free trial. You only get one, so if you've done a free trial before on any of the premium accounts, you probably can't get it again. I'm speaking from experience here. Do make sure that when you activate it that you do have time to invest in order to properly test it out, especially when you're a job seeker. And I know for job seekers, that investment into LinkedIn Job Seeker is a question mark because it probably is an expense when resources are more limited. But if you do have access to that trial, it is going to let you log in, try it out, see if it is bringing value into your job search, into your business, and then you could actually make a call at the end of those 30 days. If you don't have the 30-day free trial and you do have the resources, there is month-to-month subscription, so you can always activate the premium account, see if you're getting the ROI out of it, and then make a decision from there. Now, personally, I've had a LinkedIn Premium account for I think a couple of years now, and when this video goes live, I actually won't anymore. I did make the decision to cancel it. My current goal on LinkedIn is really just getting to know the people that are showing up on my newsfeed and in the comment sections of my posts. So I wasn't actually using any of the features other than the self-search. I know I'm going to miss the stealth search because I think that's why I kept the account for so long, quite honestly. No matter what, having a LinkedIn Premium account really is a nice to have. And really all that you need fundamentally is the free account. And what I would say is probably the most important thing about having your account, especially when you're using LinkedIn for job search, is to make sure that you have fully optimized your LinkedIn profile so that you are showing up in search results. And when someone visits your profile, they're like, wow, I need to know that person. And I actually tell you exactly how to do that in this video. So I would love for you to go and check that out right now. If this video did help you figure out if LinkedIn Premium is for you, do make sure and give it a like. It really helps my channel. It tells YouTube that more people need to watch this. Consider subscribing. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.